Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the rest of the questions, that is the long questions along with the answers of the lesson A Triumph of Surgery written by James Harriet. This is for class 10. All the questions are from board papers. So this is going to be very useful for you. Please try to subscribe to my channel because I will be giving you everything that is required for the 10th standard board exam. In this video, we will see the 5-mark questions with answers. I have also given you 2 links. The first link is the video that deals with the 1 markers and the 2 markers, including the questions that came in the 2020 board exam. The second link is the quick summary points of the lesson, A Triumph of Surgery, so that if you just read the points, you will know the lesson completely. So let's start with the 5 markers. 1. Are there parents like Mrs. Pumphrey? Is it good to pamper children? Answer. There are parents like Mrs. Pumphrey. These parents often spoil their children as they feel the children should not work to earn what they want. That is, they give whatever they want without the children working for it. Since the children get everything easily and their demands are met without delay, they do not understand the value of anything. They are unable to appreciate hard work. Now we go see how this applies in the lesson. Mrs. Pumphrey spoiled Tricky. Tricky could eat anything at any time, and Mrs. Pumphrey never stopped him because she felt he was malnourished. Remember, Tricky was a very, very fat dog and he was nothing like malnourished. Tricky was not interested in any exercise and Mrs. Pumphrey did not give him any. Mrs. Pumphrey sent eggs and wine for every meal. It was because of her tendency to spoil Tricky that the author, James Harriet, had to lie to her that Tricky needed a surgery to get better. If you remember, there was no surgery at all done, but he just said that Tricky needed a surgery immediately and took him to the center. Besides, Tricky realized the importance of eating quickly and exercising only in Mrs. Pumphrey's absence. Question number 2. Nothing should be in excess. Everything must be in moderation. Explain with reference to Mrs. Pumphrey's love, or you can say indulgence, towards Tricky. Answer. Mrs. Pumphrey's excessive love for Tricky endangered his life. She spoiled him with malt, Horlicks, cream cakes, chocolates, and couldn't refuse him anything. So whatever Tricky asked for at any time of the day or night, Mrs. Pumphrey would give it to him. Tricky himself was a greedy dog, eating any time. Besides, Mrs. Pumphrey did not give him much exercise. As a result, he had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy. We have discussed this. Bloodshot means red, rheumy means watery. Stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Soon he became very ill and listless, panting and couldn't walk much. He suffered from bouts of vomiting. This condition was brought about by Mrs. Pumphrey's excessive love for Tricky. Question number 3. How was Tricky nursed back to normalcy? Answer. The author, James Harriet, knew that the problem with Tricky was he was greedy with an indulgent mistress. He would tackle any food at any time. He ate in excess with no exercise. The author realized that Tricky had to be away from Mrs. Pumphrey so he could be nursed back to normalcy. So he told Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky needed a surgery and he took the dog to his center. You remember this? Harriet took Tricky to the dog center which he owned, where there were other dogs. There he was treated like the other dogs. That is, he was not given any importance or special treatment. He was given only water for the first 2 days. Later, he realized that he had to eat quickly and compete with the other dogs. Finally, he became strong as he ran all day with the other dogs. Thus, without surgery, with proper food and exercise, he became a healthy dog once again. Question number 4. Character of James Harriet. James Harriet, he was the main character and he was the one who realized that Tricky was not well from the beginning. He also knew what kind of treatment had to be given to Tricky so that he will become normal again. And he knew how Mrs. Pumphrey would feel and what he should tell Mrs. Pumphrey so that he could take the dog with him and bring him back to normal. So, the character of James Harriet. Answer: James Harriet was very observant. On seeing Tricky, he immediately realized the problem with the dog. He also recognized Mrs. Pumphrey's weakness and hence suggested a surgery for Tricky. He was a good veterinary doctor because he did his job very well. He diagnosed Tricky's problem immediately. He was also compassionate but firm. He felt sorry for Tricky, but he knew what was good for the dog. He refused to spoil Tricky by giving him food when not required. He not only detected the problem, but also knew the correct treatment that had to be given. He was honest. When he started receiving goodies from Mrs. Pumphrey, which he had himself, you remember he and his assistant used to eat away everything, he decided to send Tricky back home. Thus, he was good as a human and a good professional. Question number 5. How did James Harriet enjoy a treat daily during Tricky's convalescing period? Convalescing means getting better. Answer: when Mrs. Pumphrey heard the word convalescing, she was spurred to action. Spurred means she was motivated to action now. She started sending the dog fresh eggs, 2 dozens at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. Now, of course, the doctor did not give Tricky anything. The author and his assistants had 2 eggs each for breakfast. It was also accompanied with bottles of wine. Lunch too became a ceremonial occasion. Brandy also followed, and these were days of deep content for James Harriet. However, he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering the separation from Tricky. He informed Mrs. Pumphrey that the dog was in good health and he could return back to his house. With this, we come to the end of the long questions. Thanks for watching.